If you're looking for lead generation tools within the real estate space, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to explore XLeads. We're also going to explore BatchLeads and figure out what it is that they offer and why you should be using one or the other. Okay, we're jumping into XLeads now. So XLeads is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to identify, prioritize, and pursue the most promising investment opportunities with unprecedented efficiency. XLeads is standing out now with its AI lead generation, unlimited research, and ninja mode CRM. Let's get into it. So, proprietary algorithms analyze property data to identify likely motivated sellers before they actually list. This predictive scoring ranks leads by probability of conversion, helping you to focus on the highest potential opportunities. This also allows you to enter the market before that property is listed. You can also see that their unlimited research includes a higher tier plan, which includes unlimited skip tracing, removing the per lookup cost barrier that limits other platforms. And then also it has a built-in auto dialer with a call recording and analysis to maximize contact rates. The Ninja Mode CRM is an automated SMS sequence with smart timing based on prospect engagement patterns. This AI-powered follow-up suggestion is allowing you to adapt based on conversion context and also lead responses. The last thing over here that XLeads offers is how it actually excels for wholesalers. So XLeads combines 4 essential wholesaling functions in one subscription. This means that you're paying once, you're getting 4 products. So you have advanced lead generation with the AI-powered targeting, as we mentioned, the comprehensive skip tracing with no per lookup fees, also great, automated CRM with intelligent follow-up sequences, that's that Ninja CRM, and then deal disposition tools for buyer list management. It also has scaling efficiency, so it's designed specifically for solopreneurs, so you can focus more on increasing deal volume without any proportionally increasing workloads. Let's have a look at BatchLeads now. So BatchLeads is an all-in-one lead, magnet, and marketing tool. So you can transform your real estate operation with a comprehensive platform that combines powerful lead generation, marketing automation, and team management capabilities all in one single space. Some of their featured highlights include a multi-channel lead generation. So you can find motivated sellers through traditional as well as virtual driving for dollars, custom list building, and property targeting. You can also execute campaign and built-in skip tracing, SMS marketing, email sequences, and direct mail, all from one single dashboard. It supports up to 200 users with the integrated dialer, call tracking, and performance analytics for large-scale operations. BatchLeads also combines what would typically require 3 to 5 separate subscriptions into one comprehensive platform, making it more ideal for teams that are growing, looking to streamline their tech stack while still scaling operations. The last thing over here you can see is some of their benefits for investors. So they have enterprise-grade CRM, that is no doubt. They move beyond just the basic contract management with more sophisticated lead nurturing tools. This includes custom deal stages and pipeline visualization, automated lead scoring based on engagement metrics, deal tracking from first contact through closing, and comprehensive business reporting and ROI analysis. Their collaborative workflows are also awesome. It enables your team to seamlessly feature designs for larger organizations. So you can share workspaces with customizable access permissions. You get task assignment and tracking between team members, and then integrate the communication tools to keep everyone aligned. And then there are also third-party integrations, a large library with follow-up boss, and also other platforms. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this was helpful. My takeaway is always to go and use the software and see if it actually works for you in a real life situation. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.